Hello, smart investors. Yes, this is Obin Innocent, your official realtor and real estate consultant from Land Properties Investment Limited. Yes, welcome once again to City Next Estate Phase 3, Ketu Egbe. Yeah, the last time I was here, this estate was actually selling 500 square meters at the rate of 1.5. Then 300 square meter was selling at the rate of 950,000 naira. Then the infrastructure, everything was not yet done, but today you can see the amazing work that is ongoing right here in this estate. And as I speak to you currently, this estate is now selling 500 square meter for 2.1 million naira and 300 square meter is selling for 1.5. What are you waiting for? Come queue in and buy into this estate now that you can, because it is still very much affordable. Alright, yes, we are actually here today for allocation, to give allocation to our clients who have already bought into this beautiful estate. And we're also on the tour. We visited some of our our projects like City Next Extension and City Next Phase 4, and we are back here to give allocation today. Like I said, this estate is selling 500 square meters, 2.1 million, and 300 square meters is 1.5 million. Come invest now that is still affordable, so you'll be able to have a good return on your investment. Alright, thank you very much. Once again, I am Obe Innocent. You can just take a look at the infrastructure work that is ongoing. Alright, I am just right beside the gate house. Alright, the perimeter fencing is ongoing. Alright, you can see the crowd, everyone is having fun, people are receiving allocation. Alright, so thank you very much. I hope you will call me. My number you find on the screen so we can get started. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.
Ukeje Kingston. Anazodo Emeka Levi. Anazodo. Thank you. Anazodo 4.